Boost traffic and conversions. The power of parallel campaign strategies. Have your PPC campaigns settled into a comfortable yet uninspiring routine? It might be time to shake things up with a parallel campaign strategy. This approach lets you experiment and optimize without jeopardizing your existing campaigns, unlocking fresh opportunities for growth. So what is parallel campaign strategy? Essentially, it involves running multiple campaign versions simultaneously, each with a distinct difference in settings, targeting, or structure. This way, you can compare performance, identify winning elements, and scale your successes. Why parallel campaigns offer an advantage? Test new ideas without risk. Parallel campaigns provide a safe testing ground for targeting adjustments, new ad copy, bid strategies, and landing page variations. Maximize reach and discoverability. Explore different keyword sets, audience segments, or placements to find new pockets of high-converting traffic. Accelerate learning and optimization. Gather insights faster with side-by-side comparisons and use the data to improve the performance of all your campaigns. Parallel campaign ideas. Bidding strategies. Test smart bidding against manual bidding within parallel campaigns to evaluate which yields better results. Audience targeting. Compare broad audiences against interest-based or in-market audiences in parallel campaigns to pinpoint the best performance. Ad creative. Run parallel campaigns with varying ad copy or visuals to determine which resonates most with your target audience. Landing pages. Test different landing page layouts or offers side by side to optimize for conversions. Best practice for success. Control variables. Change only one aspect at a time in each parallel campaign for clearer results. Set clear goals. Establish metrics for success, clicks, CTR, conversions, etc. beforehand. Monitor closely. Analyze your parallel campaigns regularly to guide decisions on scaling or pausing variants. Iterate and improve. Apply learnings from the winning parallel campaigns to optimize your overall PPC strategy. The takeaway: parallel campaign strategies aren't just for enterprise-level accounts. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from a calculated, data-driven approach to testing and expansion. Don't let fear of change hold you back. Embrace parallel campaigns and see your PPC results soar. Thank you for joining in. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.